how to find your OKX wallet address. Hello everybody, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can find your wallet address on OKX. Now, how can you find the wallet address? The major way of finding your wallet address is by logging in into your OKX account first of all, and then once you're logged in, you brought to your own page automatically. So on this page, you can see the different cryptocurrencies at their current price rates, right? And also you can see this, the next step is to move to the lower part of the screen. But before you do that, if you've not verified your account, ensure you've carried out your identity verification. This is because before you can get your wallet address, you'd have to have completed your identity verification. Okay. So once you've done your identity verification, move to the lower right corner of the screen where you can see the accept icon, and then you click on it. After clicking on it, you'll be brought to the overviews page. On this page, you can see the option deposit. Just go ahead and click on it. After clicking on deposit, you'll be taken to the deposit page, and then you'll be asked to select the crypto, that is the cryptocurrency that you would want to deposit. All right, this is because each cryptocurrency has its own wallet address, as its own deposit address. Okay, so just select the cryptocurrency, and then the wallet address will be made available to you. Copy it and then paste it and use it wherever you want to use it. All right, that's how it works. I can't show you vividly here because I have not carried out my identity verification, but for you it shouldn't be difficult. Just follow the procedures and you are good to go. Thanks for watching and have a good day.